Hey all, this is Chris with Orlando in the Moment, and today I am in an epic universe. I am so excited to be here, and I have so much to share with you. But for this video, we are going to be sharing some footage from Super Nintendo World, and here we go. We are going up, and it's so cool. You travel up this green escalator, making you feel like you are in one of the pipes in the game. And when you get off of this, it is truly breathtaking. When you step back and you look around, you are truly immersed into this world.
That's just crazy.
There is so much happening in this area of the park. There's so much to see and do here. We are just here for today, so we want to make sure we got the most out of our time here. But I want to take you along. I did get on Yoshi's Adventure. I recommend getting on this ride. It is a slow-moving ride, but it takes you up on the top so you get a great view of this area. And we only waited about 5 minutes, so I definitely recommend getting on this one.
So much fun. Oh my god, this is so amazing. I can't get over this ride. I can't get over this area. This is super crazy. Oh my god. There's so much to look at here. videos and pictures do not do this place justice. It's truly amazing. It is so overwhelming. There's so much to look at. This is so amazing here. So much fun. Oh my gosh.
So that was a super cute and fun ride. I think the best part of this ride is being up top and getting a great bird's eye view of this entire land. There is so much to see here. So I really recommend getting on this ride because not only is it a cute little ride, there's so much to see on the ride, but then also you get a great view of this land. Well, friends, like I said before, I have so much more footage to share with you of our day here at Epic Universe. It was amazing. This is just one short clip from our day, and I can't wait to share more with you. So I hope you had a good time. I hope you join me to see more footage, and I look forward to the next video. As always, friends, I hope you have a great day and always make time to live in the moment. Have a great day again.